Rich, delicious pumpkin soup. Okay guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're preparing some chicken back pumpkin soup, and the steps will be on the screen, and I'll give you just a rundown. Here I'm cleaning my chicken back, and I'm going to wash well with vinegar and season. In the meanwhile, I add my water boiling on the fire. When it fully come to a boil, then I add my seasoned chicken back and allow that to start the cooking process while we work on the ground food for our soup. So thanks again for all my returning supporters. Appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for those that come in for the first time. Please make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And a full list of all the ingredients used for this soup will be in the description box below. So catch you further on in the video guys. So keep on watching. guys. Thank you guys so much again. Look how rich this look, guys. Yes. And I'm a big soupy and I can't wait to devour some of this. So if you enjoy this one, please like, share, comment, and again, do subscribe if you haven't. And I'll catch you guys in another video. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.